Alright, I'm making another bike check on my Haro X2. I'll start off with the forks because I really don't know what they are. Just original forks. Original hub, Haro. I got Haro Slim bars and Haro grips. Pretty crappy, and I'm not sure what type of bars those are. Probably Haro. Headset, Haro. Pretty much everything stock. Tires are Odyssey, Odyssey, whatever. And I'm not sure what type of sprocket crank is, but the pedals are VP11. I'm not sure what type those are, but I'm running 25.9. Maybe I'm running 25.9. Odyssey back tire, Odyssey Haro back hub, cassette hub. That's not a 9 on the back, actually. I think that's like a 15. But yeah, this rim is a Y22 bids, and this X2 seat. And my other handlebars are on that crappy bike and grips. But yeah, that should be my bike. Hard seat clamp, hard seat post. Really everything's stock but the tires. Tires are over there hanging up. But yeah, that should be my bike check.